All right, look at all that wear from road rash from the tire. Kick it up, debris. Okay, so that's an easy fix if Tesla included front mud guards. Small ones, all you have to do is just wrap it underneath, flare it out a bit, because look how wide that tire is sticking out from the side of the car. So if they had the mud flap that stopped right here, that mud flap would have stopped most of the damage that's occurring on this vehicle right now. So come across, boom, road rash. All of that is road rash. Now we start with the chips. One there. Oh, look at that, right before the PPF starts. Boom, two more right before the PPF starts. There's one on the door here because the door flares out. Another one, a little bit over there. Boom, three more. Oh, look at this. Look at all that. Because the PPF stops and doesn't roll into the door jamb, look at all the damage those wheels are causing. Now, I'm not a dick, you know, things happen. But if you're gonna design a car, design it correctly. You know, you understand that there's PPF on the car that's needed to be there. Oh, maybe road test your car a little bit longer. Maybe road test it on gravel roads and see where the stone chips are flowing, not on pristine California roads. Anyways, that's my beef. So now we bought them front mud flaps. We're going to install those in a moment, and we're going to do a video on how to do this on a 22 Model S. I've never done it before, so work in progress. Anyways, that's my my rant for stone protection. Now, how do we fix this? Number one, the car should come with front mud flaps. That will prevent a number of stones being flown off the tires. Now, another way of doing it is putting paint protection all along the bottom here, just on the flare, downward, all the way across, all of this panel, work all the way up, wrap it on the inside of the door jamb, come up to the door, and end it right here, and maybe do a line like that. And that would fix the whole problem. Because guess what? I'm not the only one that has a Model S, long range 22. And yeah, I've got 16,000 kilometers on it already since December, because I do a lot of driving for work. Eventually, guess what? All of you that have 22 Model S's long range, this is going to happen to you as well. So, if it hasn't already done so, maybe take my advice and PPF the rocker panel on the bottom, and partial the quarter panel in the rear, and wrap it over inside the door jamb and get front mud flaps. As ugly as they look, it'll protect your car. The other option is to PPF the entire car. Now, if you have the funds to do so, might be the best way of course of action. You don't have to worry about any of this crap. And then maybe then you don't even have to put mud flaps on. But I would suggest putting extra strength PPF on the inside of the wheel well, the highest you can go, because that's a lot of damage for road rash. Anyways, I'm gonna set up for the mud flaps, and I'll be right back.